Today I'm going to show you how to create a secondary menu in WordPress, perfect for adding extra navigation options to your site, whether that's links in your header, footer, or even a floating bar. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a professional, organized second menu that helps your visitors browse your site with ease. Let's start right inside your WordPress dashboard. From here, go to Appearance, then click on Menus. This is the heart of your site's navigation. It's where you have full control over what links show up and how they're arranged. If you've never been here before, don't worry, the interface is friendly and you can't really break anything. To create a secondary menu, look for the link that says Create a New Menu. It's usually right at the top. Click that, then give your new menu a distinctive name. Something like Top Header Menu or Footer Links. The name is just for your own reference. So pick something that makes sense for where this menu will appear. Choosing clear, descriptive names helps you and anyone else working on your site stay organized, especially if you manage multiple menus. Next, let's add items to your menu. On the left, you'll see a panel labeled Add Menu Items. This is where you can select exactly what you want your visitors to access through this secondary navigation. You might have pages like About or Contact, posts you want to showcase, category links, or even custom URLs. For example, if you want to link directly to your online shop, you can paste the URL as a custom link. Think about your visitor's journey, what's going to help them get around more easily from this secondary menu. Once you've added your items, it's time to arrange them. Here's where things get a little creative. You'll see your items appear in a list on the right. To set the order, you simply drag and drop. It's as easy as stacking playing cards in the order you want. If you want to create a submenu, just drag one item slightly to the right under another item. That indentation tells WordPress, hey, this one lives under that main item. For example, you might nest FAQ underneath Support, so visitors can find help topics grouped together. If you're not sure about the order, you can always change it later, so feel free to experiment. Now here's a key step, assigning a location for your menu. This part depends a bit on your theme. If you're using a standard theme, look in the menu settings area below your menu structure. You should see options like primary menu, secondary menu, or footer menu. Simply check the box for your desired secondary location. Say you want your new menu in the header or footer. Just pick the appropriate spot. But if you're using a theme with a customizer like Astra Divi or similar, you'll need to go to Appearance, then Customize. In here, look for your theme's header or menu builder. For instance, Astra has a header builder where you can add a secondary menu element. Click to add that element, then select your new menu from the dropdown. Your theme might have slightly different wording, but the logic is always the same. Designate which menu appears where. Don't forget the final step. Clicking Save Menu or Publish if you're in the customizer. Saving commits all your choices, so your new secondary menu will actually show up live on your site. If you don't see it right away, try refreshing your homepage to double-check. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've added a secondary menu to WordPress, giving your visitors a smarter way to explore your site. If you got lost at any point, don't worry, pause, rewind, and follow along. Let me know in the comments if you ran into any snags or have questions about configuring your menus with different themes. If this helped, please drop a like and subscribe for more practical WordPress tips every week. Thanks for watching and happy building.